Here we are with the UDR from Traxxas. This is very, very heavy and I'm very excited. Let's go.
You need a sharper cheese knife, Jen.
Oh yeah! Traxxas. It's looking good. That is looking very nice.
Okay, this is a 30 mile an hour 4S car or 60 miles an hour on a 6S. So looking forward to getting this out.
So it's a TQI transmitter.
Brakes are good.
Brakes work well, don't they? So this is a 1/7 scale, pro scale body desert racer. And it comes complete with a quick start guide and high quality maintenance tools. This is looking exciting. Oh, that is lovely. Look at it. Just look at the truck. It's got the BFGoodrich wheels and tyres on that. It's even got usable spare tyres on the rear. I love the body. That is really sweet, isn't it? The colours just really stand out on this thing. You get your high quality tools, and they even include the Traxxas wireless module for free because this is one of the first production vehicles I've received. Oh, man down! So on the back of this thing, you can just about see the ESC tucked away inside there underneath this body. Obviously this is a 6S system, allows you to do 50 miles an hour with the 6S battery packs. Just looking underneath this thing, it is ever so beefy. Taking a look at the suspension setup on the front here, really loving that design, that's really cool. We've got people inside, so we're just looking at the battery tray at the moment, and there's these sort of built-in connectors that you plug in the two batteries or single battery into, and then we're just looking at the, oh Jesus, that drivetrain is...
That's an amazing amount of torque on that.
Yeah. That motor is looking rather impressive. You can see this solid rear axle here. Allows some articulation. That steering servo is all metal geared. I'm loving the skid plates as well, so all the chips and stones don't damage anything or get anywhere they shouldn't do. Kind of protects the bottom of the truck a bit as well. That thing is very heavy indeed. Ah, beef. Oh, Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. Jesus! Jesus!
That is really loud.
That scares me. Works well.
That's quick.
Thanks for watching, guys. As always, we'll see you next time. Stay tuned for the bashing video with this thing. We're going to take it outside, put it through its paces. See you later on.